The Fall for the Book Festival is a very large literary festival that has been going on since 1999, so this is the 17th year of the festival, and it has expanded and grown over the years. It features author readings and author events throughout the region. It's quite expansive, and it is for everybody. The festival features authors that appeal to adults, to teen readers, to kids, there's something for everybody. This year, the headliners include Diana Gabaldon, who writes the Outlander series, which has been turned into a popular television show. She's sponsored by the Fairfax Library Foundation and is appearing on campus on September 27th to kick off the festival. Other headliners include Ernest Gaines, who wrote A Lesson Before Dying and the autobiography of Miss Jane Pittman, and also Tim O'Brien, who wrote The Things They Carried. Well, we also are featuring some local authors and interesting authors at our library branches in particular. Here at the Oakton Library, they'll be hosting Jonathan Horn, who wrote a very good book about the Civil War. That'll be on Thursday, October 1st during the festival. We'll also be featuring a great author of thrillers, of spies, political thriller type books, Kyle Mills. He's actually taken over the Jason Bourne, not taken over, but writing some of the Jason Bourne books that Robert Ludlum has written. And also Paula McLean, who wrote a very popular book club favorite called The Paris Wife, will be on campus on October 3rd. It is a wonderful experience when readers get to hear, see, and then meet their favorite authors, and I think also for the author to meet their fans. For more information about Fall for the Book, the best place is the festival's main website, which is fallforthebook.org. They have a full schedule, information about all the events and authors, venues, dates, times, everything you could need to know about the festival. There's an app available for mobile devices as well that can be downloaded. And also our library website has information about the festival, especially the authors we are sponsoring and featuring at our library branches. Our website is fairfaxcounty.gov/library.